Musa alayhi salam is in Madian, and Musa alayhi salam has just escaped Egypt after a horrible mistake that he committed. And he is completely alone, abandoned, a fugitive, and has no idea what his next step in life is. And he does this small good deed, and then he rests under a tree, and he makes this famous dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, قَالَ رَبِّ إِنِّي لِمَا أَنزَلْتَ إِلَيَّ مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَقِيرٍ. He said, "O my Lord, indeed I am, for any good that you bestow upon me, very needy. Ya Allah, I need you." And he doesn't say what he needs from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because the list is actually pretty long there. Safety, food. The last thing he's probably thinking about is a spouse, but that's actually the point. He just says, "Ya Allah, I need any good that you're going to bestow upon me, and I am in a state of faqr. I am in a state of complete vulnerability to you." The scholars say, first and foremost, Musa alayhi salam employs what is known as wasful hal, how you describe your state. And he says, "I am always in need of you." So I am faqir, whether I am in the palace of Fir'aun or whether I am lost under a tree in Madian, I am always in need of you, O Allah. And the scholars mention here, as Imam Sa'di rahimahullah says, وَالسُّؤَالِ بِالْحَالِ أَبْلَغُ مِنَ السُّؤَالِ بِلِسَانِ الْمَقَالِ. Sometimes to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by presenting your difficult situation is even better than asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directly with speech. It's just, "Ya Allah, here I am." So Musa alayhi salam simply says, "O Allah, I am, for any good that you are going to descend upon me, constantly needy, whatever it is." And I could list out what those are, "O Allah," but I'm just leaving that to you. And at that point, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspires in his future father-in-law. And this is what Imam bin Ashur rahimahullah says, "Alhama Shu'ayban an yursila wara'ah." That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspired Shu'ayb to send his daughter to him. And that's why the ayah says, فَجَاءَتْهُ إِحْدَاهُمَا, that one of the two women came to him. The letter fa here indicates that it was a result of his dua. So if you could see the dua in working, Musa Islam calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with a general dua that I'm needy, and whatever it is that you're going to send me, I'm going to be pleased with. I need it from you, O Allah. And then suddenly the inspiration coming to the family of Shu'ayb, and then this woman being sent towards Musa alayhi salam, and then finally Musa alayhi salam finding out of that miserable situation a beautiful marriage. This is all part of the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.